This is day 2. We're here to continue with our demand, and it's not negotiable. It's the minimum that we can get from them. The 5-point demand from the National Assembly: indigenship, citizenship, 35% appointed position, 35% in political leadership, and in ministerial position, and the 111 seats. We cannot negotiate it.
Thank you. We are still here. The 5-point demand is real. It's not negotiable, and we hope that they will listen to us and attend to our demands.
This is day 2. We're here. We're resilient. We're not shifting grounds. Our 5 demands are on the table. We are not shifting ground. We're here. We're resilient, and we will remain here. Thank you.